Hey everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to fix a wobbly or loose sliding door for the shower. This one's it's not moving. It's hard to push because the thing is not sliding here on the rail, the rollers. So if you don't fix it, you might get stuck while you're taking a shower. You don't want to get stuck in there, so this is how you fix it. Or this kind of hard to move. So first we're gonna find which one is loose and we'll fix that. For this project, you're gonna need a Allen wrench, and I'm missing a few of my wrenches here, so there's a chance that I don't have the size. Yeah, that's just my life. Hopefully it's one of these, not the ones that are missing. Alright. You can see here, this one looks good. Sorry, I have to put my light on. Sorry, put my light on. Alright. You see, here's an Allen wrench here you can adjust, but this roller is good. But this one is really loose. See, but you can see it came off. So now I have to put the camera. I have to lift that up. See, this is what I told you. See, you can't get out without dropping the whole door. So I'm gonna put that back up and tighten this Allen wrench here, this screw here. We get a rift. There you go. See what to put it back. Now I'm gonna find the right Allen wrench. So I got lucky and I actually have the wrench. So just tighten this up. Clockwise. Righty, loosey. Tighten it up. It's not loose anymore. Now it slides really good now. No more problem. So that's how you do it. You just tighten that with the Allen wrench there and the door is fixed. It's not loose anymore. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.